Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So today we're looking at prepositions which tell us where the subject roughly is. Today's preposition is do, which roughly means to, but as with every language, there's often no real direct translation. So, an raibh focal do, dumb to me, dit to you, do to him or it, dee to her, doin to us, díomh to ye, doibh to them. But when do we use do? Well, firstly, for names. Paul is Anam Dum. My name is Paul. Man United is Anam Doiv. Their name is Man United. Saoirse is Anam D. Her name is Saoirse. An brithar tor, to give. Hug Shifra Lourdo. Shifra gave a book to him. Tor dum on arrogate. Give me the money. Torfing me car do wara. I will give a car to Mora. So, real iver hain la do. Rule 1 for do. If a word begins with a consonant B, C, D, F, G, M, P, S, you put in a shevu. So, mar hampla, do chachal, do foal, do hive. And remember, not every letter takes a shevu. Mar hampla, do lim. Real iver do. Rule number 2. So if a word begins with a vowel, change do to D apostrophe and place it beside the word. So for example, we wouldn't say do oran, we'd say doran. Instead of do inchin, we'd say de inchin. And instead of say do irla, we'd say de irla.
Agus sin é.